Hey, what's up, everybody? Tonight we're going to go over some of the most expensive shoes on the market. As always, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. The Solid Gold OVO Jordan 10s, $2 million. MJ's Game Worn Converse Fast Break, $190,373. Buscemi 100mm Diamond, $132,000. Jordan 12 OVO, $100,000. The Diamond Encrusted Air Force Ones, $50,000. The Jordan 11 Derek Jeter, $40,000. The Jordan 2 OGs, $31,000. Eminem Carhartt Jordan 4, $30,000. DJ Khaled Jordan 3 Grateful, $25,000. Macklemore Jordan 6 Cactus, $25,000. Another Jordan 10 OVO, $20,000. The Jordan 4 Undefeated, $15,000. The Nike Air Mag Back to the Future Auto Lacing, $14,500. Adidas NMD R1 Family and Friends, $10,000. The V-Lone Air Force One Highs, $8,000. The Nike Yeezy 2 Red Octobers, $7,500. The Diamond Encrusted Reebok Questions, $65,000. Mark Wahlberg's Jordan 5 Transformer, $52,000. Nike Yeezy 1 Grammy Edition, between $50,000 and $100,000. The Jordan 1 1985 OG Autographed, $25,000. The Jordan 7 Kobe Bryant Player Exclusive, $25,000. The Jordan 8 OVO Pack, $50,000. The Jordan 4 Undefeated 2018 Sample, $15,750. Jordan 3 DJ Khaled Father of Assad, $8,700. Jordan 3 Legends of Summer, $9,250. Jordan 4 Wahlberger, $11,000. The Jordan 4 Eminem Encore 2017, $18,000. The Jordan 1 Silver Shoe Autograph, $60,000. The Jordan 11 Blackout Edition, $21,800. Kobe All Black Jordan 2 PE XXX, $204,000. Nike Dunk High Wu-Tang, $15,000.